Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see real-time views in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you just uploaded a video and want to track how it's performing instantly, yeah, this feature is super useful. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Analytics tab from the left side menu. This is where all your performance data lives. Now click on the Real-Time section. This shows live views from the last 48 hours. At the top, you'll see the number of real-time views your channel is getting right now. It updates automatically every few seconds. Scroll down to see your top performing videos in real time. This helps you understand which content is currently trending. You can switch between last 60 minutes and last 48 hours to get different levels of detail. And if you notice a spike in views, that usually means your video is being recommended or shared somewhere. You can also open a specific video and check its real-time performance from the Analytics section. Real-time data is great for testing thumbnails, titles, and upload timing because you can instantly see what works. So yeah, that's how to see real-time views in YouTube Studio in 2026. It's a powerful tool if you want to track growth as it happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.